For the sign of fire sign, kunin natin main energy mo at saka ng person mo. Love reading to ha. Hindi ko to kukunin, masyadong marami. Pa-comment ako sa baba. Kahit po heart-heart lang, smileys, malaking bagay yan sa akin. Heart-to-heart conversation. Getting to know each other. Okay. For your person. You do have here codependency and separation. Keep an open mind. Okay, so sa nakikita natin, you are dealing with 2 or more people sa buhay mo. And with a heart-to-heart conversation, nakakita tayo ng communication with pwedeng both of them. Ngayon, itong person na kakonect mo dito is I feel like either there's separation na nangyayari sa inyo or there's someone in the past na recently pwede nagkaroon ng separation or ending or breakup sa kanila, and still iniisip pa rin itong taong ito yung person na yon, okay, from the past. And if you are the past person, kung ikaw yung past person niya, and then may communication pa rin sa inyo, ikaw nasa isip ng taong to. So of course, take only what resonates, fire sign. Kukuha tayo ng messages dito for the sign of fire sign. Okay, for the sign of fire sign, you do have here the Hanged Man, and it is in reverse. You do have here the Star, and it is in reverse. You do have here the Snake. Okay. You do have here the Sun. Miss na kita. And or hindi ka na sana bumalik, okay na ako eh. Hindi pa pala nung bumalik ka. Okay, eto ha. Guys, some of you, yung separation sa inyo ng person na to is pwede sa communication. Lalo na dun sa mga hindi naman naging sila pa. No? So, pwedeng nagkaroon ng pagkakatapos or nawala yung connection or communication ninyo ng person na ito. For what I can see here, you are dealing with another person with a snake energy. And itong person, I don't know if you're dealing with the air sign. Parang ganito rin yung energy na nakuha ko kanina. So, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, you could be dealing with that. Minaamoy akong bago. Parang bagong gamit galing National Bookstore. Ganun. Bagong gamit galing mall. Or particularly, bagong gamit na may, alam mo yung makikita sa National Bookstore. Not necessarily National Bookstore yung pinagbilhan. Pero might be gamit siya na school supplies, yan. Or office supplies. You know what I mean? Anyway, this could be a reading if that is you. Kung may mga binili ka or kasalukuyang binibili sa na school supplies or office supplies. Balik tayo sa reading. So, nakikita natin na hindi ka na interesado dito sa isang, remember like what I told you, dalawa yung kakonect mo, and then maybe yung isa doon ay hindi ka na interesado, ayaw mo na sa kanya. Parang nararamdaman mo yung feeling na parang des, des, desperada, or maybe yeah. And I feel like there's a lot of toxicity. And you do have your, naiipit ako sa sitwasyon, hindi ko alam ang gagawin. So, might be yung energy mo is that pwedeng there's separation na nangyayari sa inyo, and maybe it is your fault, kasalanan mo, or nasa side mo yung dahilan kung bakit nagkakaroon ng disconnection sa inyo ng taong ito. Okay, and you are the past person, definitely, at ikaw ang nasa isip ng taong to. And so, nakikita natin, it could be dealing with your soulmate. Nakakita ng soulmate energy, twin flame, maybe even twin flame with the chemistry at the bottom of the deck. And soulmate or twin flame. So, ikaw naman, there's this feeling na parang, na ano ka na na unti-unti ka nang nahuhumaling doon sa isang person na yon. Pero kino-consider mo yung parang yung thinking na parang wala na yata chance, wala na yata pag-asa, or or maybe because of the snake. Clarify nga natin tong snake. What's with the snake? I want to clarify. Gusto kong kunin yung energy ng snake. Yeah, you do have your union is near. Tell me more. Clarity, malinaw na ang lahat. And you do have your chismis, marites, Mars at the bottom of the deck. Justice card. Some of you could be married or already in a relationship, and then itong person na to is pwedeng lumalabas siya as querida or kabet, babae man or lalaki. And nandun yung feeling na parang the snake is showing us someone na talagang guys, eto nagbabago-bago kasing energy, guys. So kaya medyo parang nalilito ako kung saan ka dito. So bahala ka na ilagay ang sarili mo sa sitwasyon. Eto ha. Some of you you could be in a spiritual connection dito kay codependency or this person. Pwede mo spiritual na connection kayo. Ngayon, and ito yung story. The way I see this is that pwedeng nagkakaroon ng separation sa inyo because of the snake. Pero itong snake na ito is pwedeng siya yung nakakatulong in a way na magkaroon ka ng clarity, na magkaroon ka ng parang magising ba sa katotohanan na parang ito yata talaga ang para sa akin. Hindi yata itong snake na ito, hindi yata itong taong ito. Kasi union is near and clarity, so pwedeng si snake is a person wherein parang ginamit ng universe to dalhin sa buhay mo, parang nilagay sa buhay mo para ma-realize mo kung gaano ka-misteryoso or ka-spiritual ang connection mo dito sa person ito. And with the sun, I feel like you're dealing with someone na merong energy siya na parang hindi mo mapigilang, hindi siya mapapansin or kailanganin, or like dadating yung time na parang siya yung gusto mong kausapin to be more open and vulnerable dito sa taong to. You find this person na pwedeng nagpaparamdam sa'yo ng feeling na parang okay na ako, masaya na ako, or this is a person wherein na kakapagbigay sa'yo ng messages na para maipush ka na magkaroon ka ng faith or magtiwala ka lang, just pray or whatever. So, pwedeng ito person na to mas na liliwanagan ka sa goal mo or kung ano yung dapat mong gawin because of the use or the help of this person. Oh, so, okay, wait lang. Nagulat ako, may insekto. Biglang dumaan sa harapan ko. Anyway. Okay. Balik tayo sa reading. So, ang nakalagay dito, di ka na sana bumalik, okay na ako, hindi pa pala nung bumalik ka. So, I feel like, kung nagkaroon ng communication, it's like parang saglit na communication lang. It's like, lalong mas nagkaroon ng clarity doon sa communication na yon because of that particular communication. Parang mas naging malinaw ng konti sa'yo. Dahil maybe itong person na to ay nagkaroon ng parang feeling na parang hindi pa pala ako okay. Akala ko okay na ako sa connection namin. Hindi pa pala. And pwedeng dumating din sa point mo na akala mo hindi mo na siya gusto or hindi ka na interesado or ayaw mo na sa kanya. But then, nung nagkaroon ng communication, it's like, boom. Nagkaroon ng epiphany. Nagkaroon ng pag-iisip na, ay, wait, meron pa pala. Akala ko wala na. Ganun. Anyway, tell me more. Tell me more. Messages for you, fire sign. You do have your sarili ko muna. Binago mo ako. And you do have here, kalimutan mo na ako, wala kang mapapala. And tell me more. You do have here, isasakripisyo ko sa'yo ang lahat. Para sa'yo. Mahal kita sobra. And you do have your soul tribe. Yeah, this could be your soulmate. This could be your soul tribe. Pag sinabi natin soul tribe, it's someone in the past life, in your past life. Nung nakaraang buhay mo, pwedeng may connection na kayo. Like maybe he or she is your mother, or maybe may ano kayo, may pagkaka-meet na and nagkaroon ng connection in your past life. So, ngayon, anong nangyayari? Parang kaya may something, kaya may soulmate connection, parang gano'n. You do have the Hierophant. Okay, bottom of the deck, hindi ako makapaniwala. So, like maybe hindi ka makapaniwala or both of you are hindi makapaniwala na parang ang bilis ng pangyayari. Kasi parang ang tibay or ang lakas ng connection ninyo na parang yeah, and then you feel like pwedeng hindi ka makapaniwala in a way na akala mo naka-move on ka na or akala mo naka-move on na siya, but then hindi ka makapaniwala until now the love is still there, no? Na-realize mo, nandun pa pala yung love, andun pa pala yung emotions ko namin sa isa't isa. And you do have your self-love. So, you're trying to focus on yourself. You're trying to focus and let go of this person. Tinatry mo mag-heal. And maybe the snake is someone na hindi mo basta-basta pwedeng alisin sa buhay mo for whatever reason. Like, something is telling me na parang itong person na ito, which is showing as a snake, is someone na naging panakip butas mo nung time na nag-move on ka sa person na to. So like, pwedeng dumating itong person na ito, which is the snake, sa buhay mo, nang mabilisan lang din, tapos wala ka ng choice. Like, pwede nagkaroon na ng live-in kind of energy or home or pagsasama sa inyo ng person na ito, and then etong person na in the past, biglang bumalik sa buhay mo, nakala mo okay pa kayo or okay na kayo, and then biglang nag-shake up or nginig ng mundo mo na parang ay hindi pa pala tapos. And with the binago mo ako, yeah, you used somehow, alam mo yun, aminin mo sa sarili mo, ginamit mo rin si person ito, si Snake, no? Para mabago yung emotions mo with regards sa past person na ito. And then, because you are already in a committed connection or in a relationship with the snake, pwedeng you want this person, nakalimutan ka na, tama na, ayoko na, wala ka nang mapapala. Kasi, kailangan ko nang sumama dito kay the snake. Meron na kami mga nabuo, may plano, etc., pangarap, etc. So parang ngayon, nagkakaroon ng question sa'yo because, wait lang, parang na-realize ko hindi pala ako kontento kay Snake. You know, parang hindi ko pala talaga siya ganun kagusto. Pero, alam mo yon, mind over heart yung nangyayari sa'yo. And then ngayon, mas nangingibabaw yung mind mo, yung utak mo. Hindi utak. Huwag natin gamitin ang puso dahil masasaktan lang tayo. Ganda ganyan. And then, you do have your isasakripisyo ko ang lahat. So, this person in the past is willing to sacrifice everything for you. Sobra pa sa inaakala mo ang kayang isakripisyo. If you feel like ito lang ang isasakripisyo niya, hindi, sobra pa dun. Higit pa sa akala mo ang isasacrifice niya para sa'yo. And with the Hierophant, this person is like a very spiritual person or a very traditional religious person. So, yan. Anyway, ano ang outcome ng connection na ito? Outcome. With regards to your connection, ano ang outcome dito? You do have here, bakit di mo sinabi noon, huli na ngayon? And you do have here, feeling ko mahal mo pa ako. Move on. Naiintriga ako sa connection ninyo ng snake. So, I would also like to know the future or the outcome here. You do have your Justice card. This would like to come out. Hirap na ako. Please take me incomplete. And then one last card. You do have here game over and the end. And then, dito naman sa side ng person mo, you do have here, the Devil. Titiisin ko hanggat kaya ko. Twin Flame, yan. Kadidiling with your Twin Flame, huwag ka lang niya sasaktan. I want to clarify itong game over. What's with the game over and the end here? You do have your let me explain. Ayan. And the bottom of the deck, you do have your career muna and busy. Biro lang, pero totoo. At the bottom of the deck, kasama ng career muna and busy. The world. And you do have your tukso. Layuan mo ako. Ayan. What is this message? Parang gusto pa rin. Dinadaan ko lang sa tawa, pero ang totoo, nasasaktan ako. Okay. Yeah. In the future, I feel like you're fooling yourself. Yung nakikita natin dito, biro lang, pero totoo. The biro lang is like you talking to yourself na parang, hoy, mag-move on ka na. Diba? Move on. Ito nilalagay mo sa isip mo in the future eh. Move on. Ayoko na, move on na ako. Dito na ako kay the snake. Justice card for some of you, you're married or in a relationship with this person. So, you know, parang ayaw mo na mag-explain. So, para walang explanation, sige na lang, oo na lang, doon na lang ako kay Snake. Ayoko na mag-explain. And you do have here, please take me. So, na, incomplete is here. So, some of you, pwedeng, something dito sa person na to ang kumukompleto sa'yo. So, maybe, I don't know, nakakita tayo ng children, bata, anak, ganun. So, maybe may kinalaman doon. Or kung hindi man, maybe napipilitan ka kasi ikino-consider mo yung emotion ng the snake, which is the other person. The third person. And, although sabihin na natin, sige, twin flame mo tong isang to, itong person na to, may soul tribe. Pero nandun yung titiisin ko hanggat kaya ko. So, nakikita natin yung pagpaparaya nitong taong ito sa relasyon nyo ng person na ito, nakakonect mo. And you do have here, wag ka lang niya sasaktan. So, basta wag ka lang niya sasaktan. You do have here the devil. And, this is showing to me as nakikita mong mali or makikita hanggang in the future nakikita mong mali or hindi pwede yung connection because you know the devil is like baka may masabi yung iba, baka ganto ganyan, maraming baka eh. And you do have your game over. So dito sa connection ninyo ng person na ito, I feel like you lost. ikaw ang nawalan in a way na napunta ka sa taong hindi mo akalain na magiging dahilan para hindi ka pala tuluyang magkaroon ng masayang happy ever after. Diba? Kasi akala mo yung taong ito makakapagpasaya sa'yo. Itong person, itong new person, which is the snake, pero hindi pala siya. Na marirealize mo. And you do have your feeling ko, mahal mo pa ako. And in the future, there's still this feeling na may emotions pa rin itong kayong dalawa sa isa't isa. But mahirap kasi there's another person. And one last card, guys. You do have here, humanap man ng iba, ikaw pa din. So, this is you na although nandito ka kay Snake or the third person, nakikita natin na nandun pa rin yung siya pa rin ang mahal mo, siya pa rin ang gusto mo, past person, kahit nandito ka kay Snake na ito. Or, the snake is hindi naman literal kasi hindi maganda yung connection mo with that person, but rather alam mo sa sarili mo, niloloko mo lang yung sarili mo. This is you with the evil clown. You're showing us the clown. You are someone na hindi nagiging honest sa sarili mo at sa taong nasa harap mo. And you're just enjoying everything in life. Pero, kunwari lang. Kasi mapapakita mo na masaya ka, ipapakita mo na okay ka lang, pero deep inside, you're not. Hindi ka masaya. And lalo na we do have your lagi kong tinitignan ang picture mo. So maybe you're looking at this picture dito sa person na ito. And for you, nandun yung alam mo sa sarili mo na you still love this person. Pero ang hirap, hindi pwede. Yun nga mas nauuna sa'yo or mas nagdidikta sa'yo ngayon is yung utak mo. Ayan there's obsession na nakikita natin. But anyway, what is the advice? What is the advice for you? Fire sign, ano ang advice para sa'yo? Chatmate, textmate, online dating. So, if you want to talk to this person, if you want to chat, makipag-connect, communicate, do that. Gawin mo yan. Okay? And chatmate, textmate, it's like You do have your balance yin and yang, 6996. So that is a twin flame number. That is, for me, it's a number na nagpapakita ng balance na energy. So, pareho naman ninyo mahal ang isa't isa. And lalo na kung twin flame kayo, you are just the same person. Iisang tao lang din kayo. Or iisang soul lang talaga kayo. So, this person would understand you kung ano man yung sasabihin mo sa kanya. And, yeah, you do have here, nagsinungaling ako. Naniwala ka naman. So, yeah, this is you na hindi ka nagiging totoo sa sarili mo. So, ang advice sa'yo is, be mature. Nakakita kasi tayo ng immaturity dito eh. A lot of lollipops, candy. So, hindi ka nagiging mature sa iyong emotion. And, yeah. Anyway, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Yun lang. Makipag-connect or communicate ka. Ang advice. Because, ikaw lang din ang nahihirapan. Guys, may epekto kasi yun sa heart natin. Pag lalagi tayong nahihirapan. Like, there's chances or tendency na hindi man ngayon, pero in the future, yung pagpipigil mo ng emotion mo, pwedeng mag-lead siya into heart disease. So, it's like an advice na kung ano yung makakapagpasaya sa'yo. And if something na makakapagpasaya sa'yo is as simple as saying hi to this person and then you're like masaya na doon, magkaroon ng communication, and do that. And then, be honest to yourself. If you really do like this person, kung feeling mo this is your soulmate, diary is here. So, yung diary is like your life. Hindi pa naman tapos ang buhay mo, pwede pang baguhin. Diary, laging may kinabukasan. Laging may bagong storya sa kinabukasan. So, you do have here, ako na lang sana ang piliin mo. So, you have to make choices or nagpaparaya ako. So, alin dito. But, the way I say this, you have to choose kung ano talaga ang gusto mo. Be honest to yourself. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.